Hey guys, hey ladies, Bianca Charisma here, and today I'm so excited because I'm gonna be telling you guys about this hair. This is a headband wig, and y'all know the headband wig is like the trend right now. Usually trends for me, I don't really love trends, but this trend I really love because I just needed something that was basically going to be easy for me to install and also look natural. You guys know that sometimes like lace frontals and closures and like making everything look natural when it comes to your edges can be really tricky when you are a beginner wearing a wig, especially in the summer. You are not trying to look crazy. You're not trying to have like detectable lace, and like it can be really tricky when you are trying to deal with wigs and you don't really know fully what you're doing. So I feel like if you want to try a beginner wig, these headband wigs are just like perfect for beginners. I have not been wearing wigs that much for months. Actually, I've just kind of been rocking my real hair, but once Love Me Hair and like a few other companies reached out to me about the headband wig, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try, and I really like it. This is the headband wig from LUVME Wig, the Bob. I chose to get it in a 12-inch. It comes in a 14-inch as well. It came to me in this LUVME Hair box, which I always love because I keep my LUVME Hair wigs in, I actually like keep these boxes, and then I keep all my specific wigs in the box that they came in. So I'm gonna do a quick kind of unboxing to show you guys what came in this box. So I already took the stuff out, what they sent me. Their packaging is always cute. They sent me this cute little, it's kind of like an iridescent makeup bag. It says LUVME Hair on it, and inside they gave me some bobby pins, which you will see how I use the bobby pins once I show you how I applied this wig. They gave me the little edge brush with the little comb on the end. Super cute, just what I needed. They gave me some what are these called? A wig cap. They sent this, which is like an adjustable band. I'm not sure why. Well, maybe if you know how to sew, you can sew this and make it tighter. But they did include this. If you don't want to use this or don't know how to use this for the headband wig, you can always save this for another wig. If you decide to create your own, then you can always sew this into any wig and it'll help your wig adjust and fit to your head. They sent me tweezers. Now, you don't need tweezers for this because it's no lace. But, you need tweezers for your eyebrows, so you can use it for that, or another wig that you might have. They also sent the little Love Me clip, which I love these little Love Me clips. They are so cute. They sent me this little, it's like a little scarf, a little edge scarf. So you'll also see me use this once I show you how to apply this wig. They also sent me this, so they put the wig in here, but they also sent me these headbands. So they sent me yellow, they sent me pink, which I love this color pink. They sent me like this, it's kind of like a brownish, beige-ish, grayish color. They sent this gray color here, and then they sent me this one, which I really like, this neon color one. Before I start the video tutorial, it's gonna be really fast to show you how I apply it. It goes on so quick. My hair is straightened right now. You can also do this on natural hair. You just wanna make sure your natural hair is as flat as possible under the wig. Let me give you guys a quick 360 view. So you can see the length, you can see the movements. Super cute. My review is, I love the wig. I think you should try it. If you want to try it, make sure to click the link in my description box so you can go straight to the website and you know, buy your wig. Get 12-inch or get 14-inch, whichever you feel works best for you. But other than that, let's start the video and I will see you guys later. So I have two braids. I didn't even do a part down the middle. I kind of just separated my hair into two, and then I did two braids. My hair is straight, so you can do it in any state that you want your hair to be. I just thought my hair being straight would make it be extra flat. So I took those two braids, used the bobby pins that Love Me Hair gave me, and I bobby pinned both of those braids to either side of my head. So then what I'm doing, I put the wig cap on, comb the hair out on the wig, and then I'm going to apply this wig. So the wig comes with several clips. You want to put the clips first. After you do the clips, you know, make sure that the clips are secure. So I usually clip the back, and then I clip the front, and then I clip the sides. So make sure your hair is make sure your wig is nice and secure to your hair. And then after that, what you want to do is you're going to be using the adjustable straps, and you're going to be taking the adjustable straps and you're going to be basically connecting it in the back. It's Velcro, so you're just going to Velcro it to the back of your head just to make sure that it is extra secure on your head. So I've wore this headband wig multiple times since I've got it, and it's been very secure on my head. So pull it back or adjust it however you want so you can see your edges, or if you don't want to see your edges, that's fine. You know, wear how you want to wear it. And then I'm basically just flat ironing my wig, making sure that I have a little bit of a bump, not too much of a bump, and my hair is pretty nice and even and straightened with the little bump at the ends. So next thing that you're gonna do, now I basically did my edges off camera. I'm just showing you how you can use the little edge scarf that they gave me. So I put that on, let my edges set, and then I'm going to take it off and put on my actual headband that they gave me. So I'm just going to start with the yellow. As you can see, my hair or my edges are swooped and ready to go. Here's how the yellow looks. Super cute. And then the brown beige color, extra cute. And then I'm going to show you guys once again the pink one. Actually, the multicolor one comes next, but yes, the pink one, the multicolor one, which is like one of my favorites, and then this one is the gray one. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one.